Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Roblox tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download Roblox Studio on your PC. So in my previous videos I showed you guys how you can download Roblox on your PC. So this time I'm showing you how you can get the Roblox Studio on your PC as well. So this is a player and this is a studio. So I have a couple tutorials on Studio, so this video is going to help you get it. So what I'm going to do is I just need to hop on my browser like this. So you search Roblox and then you log in. So after logging in, all you need to do is tap on this side, which is the create. Because if you want to get Roblox Studio, then it means you want to start creating some games on Roblox. So you just tap on the create here and then you move to a page like this. So this is how the creators hub look like. So all you need to do here is just tap on the download like this to download your Roblox Studio. So you can see that's the installer there. So when you tap on the installer, I don't want to download it. When you tap on the installer, it's going to just download. Let me just tap on that for you guys to see. And let me come here. Oh, that's download. So now you need to double tap it to start the installation. If you use a PC, you should know this type of stuff. So after installing it, you are good to go. So mostly when you finish downloading your Roblox Studio, your language is going to change. I have a video on that, on how you can change your language back to, the most spoken language, which is English and French. I have a video on that. So I'm going to drop that video in this video's description so you can check that out after installing, and then you tend to get your language changed on your studio. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.